I like to see myself when I fucking record. I was trying to multitask, man. I'm getting into Travis Scott. I like these big ass rocks. I remember when I had a hamstring pull and I tried rock climbing just because I wanted to try rock climbing. This shit is hurting. Shit is hurt. Disclaimer. This shit is probably 3rd degree. No, it's 2nd degree. It's probably 2nd degree with blistering. If I had some fucking money, I'd go to the doctor. Now we trying to climb these fucking shits. Shit crazy. Oh, I can't baby a womb. I can't baby a womb. WLWOUND. Wound. This rock shit. I need a hands-free thing. Let me stop cussing. Auntie's a cusser. I miss Jaden, yo. I miss J Soul. Oh, they got people. Dang. I ain't gonna know how to climb. I want a harness. Where's the entrance to this thing? I know you have to go highways and byways. I'll be a true mountain person.
Objectively, he's a pretty attractive boy.
I know they have obstacles for this stuff. I want to get in the fence. What is the castle and the bridge? I'm going to explore more. I'm gonna hop the fence, yo. I'm gonna time for this. No, I'm going to swing. To swingers. Swingers. Shout out to the 55-year-old, the 40-year-old. I'm just younger when they say my turn. They try to make me look like a Master P Productions. A Master P Productions. I need Kiki to come push me. I saw that documentary of Kiki. Are you dizzy? Just let it. How do I multitask? I miss the nephew and the brother. I'm a big kid. I get to be a big sister. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still waiting. I only got to bring these kids to Michael's Arts and Craft Stores. Where else we went? Checkers and some other stuff. My pops treat me like a teenager sometimes. I be like, man, I'm grown. I got my own car insurance. I paid my own car insurance. Okay, so now I explore more Central Park. I'm hot up here. These are some good times. I do want some children, man. See how they see take to these stuff. I really do. I don't know if I get the child after the pet. I already had turtles. Now I got figured out this path. Oh, look at this dog. That's the car. I just add the music the other way. I like to set the scene. Man, there was expeditionary studies and all of that. Forgive me for that's my hip. I shouldn't say my cougar name. She's still my cougar. I'm a little annoyed that shit happened the way it did. Nobody want to meet when they're homeless. My folks know, you know. Shout out to the cowgirls. I don't do nothing. I don't know what people want. They want the pride, the ego. Everybody want the assist, but Everybody wonder, didn't I say this to myself? The best point guard have the highest assists in my eyes. That's the point guard I would be. They're talking about alpha squirrels. They dodge bullets. They on the, what is it called? Spirit animals. What's your spirit animal? See how agile they get? Very. I ain't trying to be like Crocodile Dundee. At least he had a niche. Then into the baseball. Look at all this animals. Central Park. You would thought I was at the zoo. I think the zoo is a little containing. See how they run? I feel like I need to go to a safari forest. I'm looking forward to playing some Travis Scott. I'll be shouting out these celebrities. Yeah, home. Mustache. Dirt is dirty. Dirty comes from dirt. And lo and behold, we got some birds, rock birds. I should stay on my Crocodile Dundee status, right? But I like to be adventurous. Oh, yes. Love these shits. The morning doves. Morning, how you doing? See, I socialize. I don't just be talking to the end. I hope I captured enough of the morning doves. There's a robin over there. Look at that robin. Gotta tell by the... I need to get a reference, but stay there. Look how close I am. Stay there. Fatty. Where your food at? I wonder if Cheeseburger missed this smile. Ow, stepped on a fucking nail. The morning is, what is that, a sparrow? No, that's a morning dove. It's a morning dove. It rained, early bird gets the worm. Ecosystem, look at that. They ain't ready for me to be a sign. I'm gonna be my Miss Frizz. I'm gonna be on my Miss Frizz. Did she ever get married? They should do an episode if she get married to Mr. Noodle from Sesame Street. That'd be lit. How you gonna put animation? You'll be seeing it. Why don't you steal that from me? Me. Solid. I say I don't dance. But one time a sister said, how you Haitian and you don't dance? I don't. Entering the field. I've seen people hop a fence like that squirrel. Belly over. And they nails. I don't know if they're marsupials. I think marsupials are more like Sonic the Hedgehog. What's his name? Knuckles. They all by my freaking feet. Look at that. Scary ass. Have no fear. Approach life as new babes. I want to get these doves. Excuse me. Gosh. I didn't even feed these. I just put the banana on the tree. Morning doves. Oh, come on. The breath of life. Go ahead. I'll follow you. Follow you. Follow you. Oh, look at that. It was like some circling shit. What that call in military warfare? The robin. Look at you. That's a pretty pigeon. Like, I like its coat. They like when you have a good ass orgasm or something, and your collagen starts being more elastic. What does it mean? My bow and arrow tattoo. I'm bored as hell. Hey, Robin. I don't think it's a red robin. Some people say they mistake these for the cardinal birds. Cardinals are not robins. Tell you, if you're inclined to a bed, I hope you get some fresh air from the window or ventilation. COVID is nothing to play with. Rest in peace, dead of COVID. My brother survived COVID. He in Arizona, the red state. Relevance. I'm in New York State, the blue state. Look at these bushies. Oh, you spotted. Oh, spotted. Alert, alert. I'm so hungry. What kind of soil is moss? Is this moss? There's horticulture, botany. I know this ain't manure, thank God. It got a richness to it. More earthly. What is earthly? I don't know. Got like, I don't know if it's more tree bark or grass come from the pellets, and I've seen turf. Oh, look at this one. Sand. Yeah, I heard of Dora the Explorer. I just don't have my backpack. Sensory. This is good for the sensory type. I work with children on the autism spectrum. Even though I was more ed and teacher assistant. You know, they're not blind. It's just they're hypersensitive. When the children are blind, their senses are a little heightened. I didn't get to work with the blind though. I've seen there's the deaf, there's the behavioral. I remember when they wanted to put me in behavioral school as a youth, but we got through it. They didn't realize in 9th grade when I had honors, I was looking for intellectual stimulation on the history English side. Now I don't even know where I am yet. I guess putting my body in the earth did something. I hope y'all check out the Beach Birds video, comments. I don't know if my spidey senses be tingling when there be them youth and then I look at the animals. I'm not an animal. I just be in tune with that primal side, that instinctual self-preservation, reaction from response, conditioning to some other stuff. Shout out to the Maple Leaf. I like logos. My left left leg is branded. Look at the horses. Y'all better come to New York City.